Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. It's super easy, so make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now, head to your profile by tapping on the three horizontal lines or your profile picture. Next, to upload a new reel, tap on the Reels button. This will open your gallery where you can select a video you'd like to post. You can also add music, stickers, or make other edits to your video. Once you're happy with your video, tap on Next. Now, below the video description, you'll see an option to Add Message button. Tap on it, and a new screen will appear. From here, choose WhatsApp from the available options. If you haven't linked your WhatsApp number to Facebook yet, you'll be prompted to add and verify it. Once you've selected WhatsApp, tap Done at the top of the screen. Finally, add any extra details to your reel and tap Share Now. Once your reel is live, both you and your followers will see the WhatsApp button, allowing viewers to message you directly with just a tap. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Facebook Reel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.